Hi everyone, welcome to our Consultancy Assignment Guidance. In this video, we will learn how to visualize individual data points across different categories using strip plots in Python. Strip plots are useful when we want to see both the distribution and individual observations within our data. Unlike charts that only show the summary statistics, strip plots display individual observations. This makes them useful for comparing groups and identifying the spread and the concentration of the values. At first, we have imported some libraries. We have imported pandas, Seaborn, and matplotlib. Then we have created a data set containing exam scores for three different classes. And next, we have used the Seaborn's plot function. The X parameter represents the categories while Y represents the numerical values. Now let's interpret the strip plot. Each point represents one student's exam score. The horizontal axis shows the three classes, while the vertical axis shows the course. The position of the points allow us to compare the spread of scores between classes. For example, class C contains several higher scores, while class B includes some of the lower scores. The main advantage of a strip plot is that we can see the actual observations rather than only a summary of the data. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for these types of videos.